Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this isn't going to help too many of y'all. Somebody sent me this graphic. It can't be traced or really vectorized, or not by me anyway. But he wanted to know, because I had a video about how to continue a pattern with a vector. Well, this is without a vector, and I took this picture and made 3 pictures, and I joined them together. The first one took a little bit of time, but my line is like right in here, but you can't see it. So I just kind of thought I'd show him a little trick how you could do this and then do it easily. And in this one, this might have just been really easy. So Control D and make a duplicate. Hold down the control button and get it somewhere close. And then set your nudge factor on something pretty low. So we're not, and I'm holding down the control button and I can see those fingers. Now set your nudge distance on 0.001 and go ahead and zoom in and you can see the line. Then just click on that item and look at that. It matches. Now here's the key. This thing was 5 by 5. Our new item is 7.734. So I'm going to nudge it 2.734. So change my nudge to 2.734 and Control D and make a duplicate. Control D and make a duplicate, and you just keep going to your heart's content, and it'll be on that same line. So you can't see any seams. Now going the opposite way might be a little harder, but I'm not going to take your time in the video to do that. But that is one way to do it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.